Replace these 5 habits, and you will become unstoppable in life. 1. Replace TV with exercise and books. Do this and watch how fast your life starts improving. Books can be good to relax. 2. Replace complaining with gratitude. You will see the bad in people and expect perfection. Perfection is a lie and doesn't exist. This will increase dissatisfaction in life. 3. Take responsibility for your actions and consequences. It increases self-awareness, confidence, and self-esteem. 4. Replace overthinking with actions by thinking too much. You create fake scenarios that don't exist by taking actions. You discover things that will take you to another level and make you unstoppable. But when it becomes a habit. 5. It's bad. Replace fake friends with mentors. It's better to stay alone and do your things than to be around fake friends who only use you mentor.